Hi there, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike, and I'm excited to share another Divi tutorial with you. My goal here is to make learning Divi as straightforward as possible. So grab your favorite coffee or your tea, and let's see how today we can make Divi buttons full width. So let's jump right in. As usual, before we start, let's actually see what the end product would look like. So if we scroll down here, I have this button over here, and you can see this is a column within a row, and I've made this button full width. So what you learn here today, you can apply to buttons in a column like this, or you could even apply it to buttons that are in a post, so that the button would stretch across the entire content of the post area. So let's see how to do that. All right, let's jump into the Visual Builder. And once that opens up, we scroll down to the button. So you can see here, this is how the button originally looks. And if we go into the settings of the button, we go to Advanced, go down to Custom CSS, go to Module Elements, and then we just scroll down to Main Element. Now in the main element, we want to apply one line of CSS to this button, and that is width 100%. And you can see as soon as you type that in, the button jumps across, all right, and it stretches the entirety of the column, all right. But you can see one little issue that we're sitting with here is that the text is still aligned to the left, and that doesn't look so great because we prefer to have it in the middle, right? So all we do is we just jump back into the settings, go to Design, Alignment, and we just put it in the center, and that's it. That's all you need to do to make your Divi buttons full width. So I hope this tutorial has been beneficial for you, and if it has, do please hit that like button to let me know. And to catch more Divi tutorials as they come out, make sure you subscribe to the channel, as I will be posting more tutorials as I learn more about Divi. Your feedback is valuable, so do leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.